Previously on BMW E60.
Control message, kita tengok di sini ada active steering fault, mungkin perlu record balik lah, ataupun dia punya steering leg ada faulty, ataupun just sensor dia. Then parking light front left failure, parking light front right failure, maksudnya adalah headlamp punya angel eyes. So dia punya bulb sudah mungkin ada kerosakan, sebab memang bila saya on pun tiada. So brake light failure, kita punya brake light lah ada failure di sebelah kanan. So saya akan buat satu persatu error ni lah.
Hey guys, welcome to another video on my YouTube channel regarding the E60. So today I'll be doing the right brake light replacement. So before that, go and like and subscribe my channel. So guys, today you must be wondering why I'm doing this at night time with the tail light on. So today I'm going to replace the back light error. Okay guys, as you see, maybe it's hard to see where's the error, the problem, but I'll take you on the left hand side of the tail lamp to get a better clear to see which one is have the error. Okay, this is on the left hand side. So as you can see, all the lights here are on, okay, and it's fully functional, okay, and there's no problem. At the right hand side of the car, guys, so this is the right tail lamp. So as we can see, here is the light is on, but on this side the light is off. So that's why we see at the iDrive the problem shows that right tail lamp error. That's why what it shows in the iDrive. Okay, so today I'm going to replace that. Just an easy fix that you can do. So how much does it cost me? Watch the video until the end, guys.
This is the replacement I got. So I'll compare both of these bulb. Okay, so this one is actually the original one. It's I think 4 years since the last replacement. So if you can see here, it's from Bosch LF. It's 12 volt and 21 volt, made in Hungary, right? So I tried to search for this bulb everywhere, every shop that I've been, but I can seem to find the exact bulb. So what I know is you can use other bulb with the same voltage and watt to replace it. So I got the Philips bulb to replace it, which is have same voltage, which is 12 volt, and also the watt is 21 watt. I don't know if you can see this clearly. Okay, so this stage here is 12 watt and 21 watt. So compared to the original one and this one, this is a bit bigger. I think about 0.5 millimeters bigger, something like that. But the function is the same. It's provide light. So because if you don't use the same voltage or same volt, the effect is the bulb easily broken, or maybe it will produce more errors detected by the iDrive and the system. So we don't want that to happen. So I got the same exact voltage and also the watt. So I'm going to install this bulb so that we can see if there's any error popping up after the installation. Right guys, so bear with me. It's just a simple fix that anyone can do, so you don't have to worry. It's not that hard, right?
already installed it. So now I'm going to try to on the lights and see whether it's turned on. So it's working and it's burning yellow, so it's don't have any problem, I think. So it's just a simple fix, and it just only cost me 3 ringgit to replace it. So I don't have to put a lot of money for this replacement. So but it's not wrong if you want to get the original one. It may cost more than 3 ringgit, but for this, I think, for this fix, I think it's, for me, it's okay, just a simple fix. But for you who want to maintain originality, then you may do so. Okay guys, so that's it for today. And before I go, I'll show you whether the error has already been updated to the system, and we'll see you guys. I'm going to turn on the ignition and see whether the error still comes out. Okay, so I'm put on the ignition on. I'm going to turn off the sound. Okay, so going to the iDrive. Okay, so going to the iDrive, the information. So info source, I think it's services. Okay, check control message. Okay, so the error is completely already read by the system, and it's corrected, so the error had disappeared. So now I just have 3 error more, which is the active steering fault, parking light front left rear, parking light front right rear, which is the halo lamp, the halo angel eyes, or what you call it, like that. So that I will do in another video, but for today it's just a simple fix, and it's only cost me 3 ringgit, so you don't have to worry about spending that kind of money. Or you want more originality, you can buy the original one, maybe from your BMW store. So that's it guys for today. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos regarding my BMW E60 in the future guys. So I hope you can enjoy the video that I make, and if you have any suggestions or like any parts or you want to do or can replace the backlight, please just leave a comment in the comment section. Very happy to answer all of your questions regarding the BMW E60. Okay guys, so I'll meet you in a future video. Thanks guys, good luck, stay safe, be safe.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gonna get it.